All right, here's the upgraded CandyBot 2.0 featuring an auger system. And the auger turns when it receives a request. There's our stop sensor for when the candy falls through. And there's the funnel. Okay, here's what it looks like from the bottom. We have a streaming view of the dispenser. Then we have an arrow. It's kind of hard to see right now, but the sensor's underneath. And there is our candy chute going all the way up to the top. And we're gonna go ahead and trigger it, just like this.
Just a moment. Your candy is dispensing.
And there's the candy. How about that?
Happy Halloween. Wave underneath the arrow to activate CandyBot.